Sushi ingredients are packed into an ice cube tray, covered with sushi rice, and this makes a great instant sushi. Today on Cravings for Adventures, I'm going to show you how to make an ice cube tray sushi. This is a great hack for you to make sushi in your own home at any time. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. For best results, use ice cube trays that are not too deep. I love this square shape, but it's too big and it's too deep, so it won't work. I'm also going to prep some of the ingredients and I'm going to keep them ready. I'll be using shrimp, so I'm going to boil these quickly. And once cooked, I will slice each shrimp in half. Brush the ice cube trays with oil. This will help the cling film stick to the tray. Grab cling film that's almost double in length of the tray, and starting from one end, I'm going to push the cling film into the cavities of the tray. I'm going to do the same for the circular one. I have about a cup of sushi rice here. Sushi rice is very starchy, so you want to make sure to soak it and rinse it a few times before it's cooked. I'm using my rice cooker. The ratio of rice to water is 1:1. And I'm adding both salt and sugar to the rice. Once the rice is cooked, I'm going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar and a tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Now for the fun part. I'm using the round tray first. This is perfect for the shrimp. I'm starting with the shrimp that I sliced horizontally. And then I'm going to top it with thin slices of cucumber. I'm alternating with pieces of avocado. In the other tray, I've cut some crab sticks to the right size and I'm inserting these into the cavities. I'm alternating with pieces of smoked salmon. Now I'm going to add a slice of cucumber. I cut these into rectangles and I'm going to add some in. I'm also going to add some avocado alternately. Add the cooked rice when it's warm and push it down. For the rectangle ice cube tray, I like to go for a more even coverage. For the circular tray, I only need to get the rice into each cavity. Cover this with cling film and chill it in your fridge for about 10 minutes. Now for the reveal. Remove the cling film and gently release. Because the rice in this one was so densely packed, I'm just going to use a knife to separate them. Garnish this any way you like. I like to use tobiko, seaweed strips, wasabi, a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise, and sushi seasoning. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings and Adventures. I'm sure you enjoyed this super easy hack. I love to make this in my own home to serve for family and friends. It looks so impressive, but it was so easy to put together. If you love this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. Also, make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and that you're subscribed to my channel. If you love my videos, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and also on TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating.